Welcome everyone to the video. I just broke the speed limit big time. Driving on my BMW. BMW S1000XR 2016 model. As you saw in my previous videos, it received a healthy day cut and a lovely tune-up. ECU has been tuned, fuel map has been adjusted accordingly, limits have been removed, and it drives like butter. Super happy with it. And today, finally, one of the first days where it rained, so there's no more ice on the road. It's 10 degrees, super chill outside, perfect for some riding. Roads are a little bit wet, but not even that bad. You still take cornering super sharp. Alright, on my way to Amsterdam North, I'm gonna go to the EDSM industrial platform. Pretty big open area, and I can rev my bike very freely over there. Just noticed my driving mode was still in rain. Let's change that. Oh, so nice. So this motorbike does have a quick shifter, which I am a bit new to. My previous Kawasaki didn't have that, so I definitely have to get used to it. And to be honest, I don't know, I haven't really felt the need to use it. I'm sure if you do some drag racing or you want to make some real speed, it's very useful, but just good old clutch, still my preferred. Oh, it's a bit windy. But like on these areas, I can open it up and just shift up, no problemo. So for that kind of stuff, really nice. Oh, what are they doing there? Building a big boat. To take a picture. Man, it's fucking windy. Okay, mandatory pictures taken. Now it's time to scare everyone. Don't mind the nasty bird shit. I hope you guys can hear me well. There's a bit of wind going on, but let's hear this exhaust. Oh, lovely, lovely.
A few moments later.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Ah, god damn it. Alright, so there goes the cop. So he pulled me over basically because in the Netherlands, on your driver's license you have this thing called a code 80, and you get that when you're a starting driver pretty much, and this expires when you turn 24. Well, I'm well above that, but I never got my license renewed, like the actual physical card that has this number code 80 on it. And this is all in correspondence with the strength of your bike. So A1 license is like the really lightweight bikes. A2 is what is it, like 500cc or so, well, a little stronger bikes. And this is of course a full A license, so max power pretty much. I was like, hello officer, what did I do wrong? And he's like, yeah, you got a code 80 on your license. I'm like, yeah, I know, but it's expired, right? Because I'm over 24. And he's like, yeah, it only expires when you actually get your license renewed, like the actual physical card. Only then it updates in the system that you're no longer licensed 80. I had no idea, so I'm gonna drive home now and renew my sheets. I've been pulled over before and I've had cops behind me before, and this is the first time that this license thing actually came up. So I guess before they just didn't bother to, you know, even check you. Alright, I wanted to blow some steam in this tunnel, but there's another cop behind me. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I can. Oh, that just sounds nice. Anyway, see you guys in the next one, and I'll upload some more stuff when the cops are not around. See ya.